Hello everyone, Namaskar, Rajkrishna this side, and let's solve one more problem from trigonometric equations. So we have this problem in front of us. Interesting problem. We have to solve this equation and x should be between 0 and pi. So let's move ahead. How can we do this? First, this equation is not something we are more familiar with. So let's simplify this equation. How will we simplify? Either change sign in terms of cos or cos in terms of sine. That's completely your choice. So I am letting this sin²x as it is, and cos²x is nothing but 1 minus sin²x. Now you know that a power m minus n is a power m divided by a power n. Basic property of exponent. This can be written as 81 power 1 divided by 81 power sin²x. Fine enough, because minus sin²x. So if, when it will go down, it will become power will become positive. Let 81 power t. This become t plus 81 by. Now I will say that this is now reduced to a quadratic. How? Uh, Cross multiply, then this will become 30t, but when it will come to the LHS, it will become minus 30t plus 81 equals to 0. Now let's simplify it further. 81, 27 and 3 are 81 when product is made. So t square minus 27t minus 3t plus 81 equals to 0. So t minus 27 t minus 27 from here you are getting t equal to 27 or t equals to 3. What was your t? So 81 power sin²x is 27. Okay. So 81 can be written as 3 power 4. That power sin²x. 3 power 3. 3 power 4 sin²x. We can equate the powers of 3. Okay. Are you familiar with one formula? So whenever you have sin²x equals to sin² alpha or cos²x or tan²x, because they are interconvertible. You can convert one into another. Answer is x equals to n pi plus minus alpha. As simple as this, and n should be from the set of integers. Okay. So can I write this as sin square x equals to sine pi by 3 sine square pi by 3? Sine pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 square is 3 by 4. From here you can say x equals to n pi plus minus pi by 3. Obviously n should be from the set of integers. So you have got one set of values for x. Another set will come from 81 power sine square x equals to 3. Again, this can be written as 3 power 4. Again, equating powers of 3. So we will get 4 sine square x from this side and 1 from this side. Sine square x equals to 1 by 4. Now can I again write this as sine square x equals to sine pi by 4? Sine pi by 4 is... No, I don't think pi by 4. Any other angle, I think? Yes. Pi by 6. Sine pi by 6 is half. Half square is 1 by 4. Again, x should be sine square x equals to sine square alpha. X equals to n I have already used. So let's use m pi plus minus pi by 6. And m should be from the set of natural numbers. Now, what was the restriction they put on us? Not on us, on the x. X should be between 0 and pi. So one is saying that x is n pi plus minus pi by 3. Other is saying x equals to fine. Start putting values of n. So the upper limit is of x they are demanding is I think pi. Yes. So we can always put 0 here. So when I put 0 from here we will get x equals to, on putting 0 I will get 0 pi plus minus pi by 3. Okay, writing this separately will be better so that we can reject. As you can see, we will reject minus pi by 3 because x should be between 0 and pi. Minus pi by 3 rejected, so pi by 3. What can be the other value? When you put n as 1, you will get pi plus minus pi by 3. Okay. So if I do a rough calculation, pi plus pi by 3 will be 3 pi, 4 pi by 3. Clearly greater than pi, isn't it? Rejected. Pi minus pi by 3. 3 pi, 2 pi by 3. Okay, clearly in the second quadrant, less than pi, fine, accepted. Can we take other values? If you take n as 2, so 2 pi plus minus pi, 2 pi is 360 and 360 plus 60 is obviously again greater than pi, and minus 60, 300 again also greater. So we don't need to go for further values of n. So these two values we are getting from first. From second, put m as 0, you are going to get plus minus pi by 6. Again, minus pi by 6 rejected, pi by 6 accepted. What can be the other values? When you put 1, you are going to get pi plus pi by 6. Again, not accepted. because this will become 7 pi by 6. Oh ho ho. Again, 7 pi by 6 is greater than pi. And what are the other values? Pi minus pi by 6. I think you will accept this because this is 5 pi by 6. Pi by 6 is 30. 30 into 5, 150 degree. Fine. Accepted. I don't think you need to go for the higher values because I think they will be rejected again. 2 pi plus minus 30 degree. So 2 pi is 360, 390, 330. Leave that. So these are the four values which you will be accepting: pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, pi by 6, 5 pi by 6. Okay. In degrees, if you see 60, 30, 120 and 150. All of them are between 0 and pi. So, were you able to understand this problem? If yes, do comment it, okay, so that I know whether I am able to explain it better or not. So, okay, then I will able to improve myself for the next time. So, now where we started, 81 power sin square x plus 81 power cos square x equals to 30. Change either sine in terms of cos or cos in terms of sine. I think if you have changed sine in terms of cos, then you have got cos square x equals to cos square alpha. That will also give the same answer, more or less. Okay, let's everything is clear. I think 81 power sin square x, you take t, it reduces to quadratic, solve it, you find two values of t, 27 and 3. Put back the value of t, which was 81 power sin square x. Sin square x equals to sin square alpha, you already know. X equals to n pi plus minus alpha, and keep solve. Now the final solution, they wanted between 0 and pi, so I took some values and got to my final answer. That's it from my side. Thanks for watching.